watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Alright guys, you knew this video was coming. You knew it. The Walmart brand beat the Yeti. The Walmart brand beat the bestseller on TikTok. The Walmart brand is now going up against Stanley. No, we're not going to light a car on fire. But that'd be fun. But anyway, we're going to find out. $20, $50. I checked. This is now going for $50. That's crazy. So I was just holding them, and the Stanley one doesn't feel that secure. I mean, not secure, I should say. Like, doesn't feel as well built as this one. But who knows? We're going to find out. The test is going on right now. Alright guys, same test we're going to do. Each container is getting 20 ice cubes. We counted them out. We're not some scientists or anything. We're just doing some home testing. And then each container will get 3 cups of water. Okay, comes up to right about there. Okay, so then we're going to close these containers. The one with the remaining ice wins. We'll check every hour. Just want to let you know once again, 20 ice cubes, 20 ice cubes, 3 cups of water, 3 cups of water. We're good to go. See you in a bit. Okay, what time is it right now?
It is 2:30.
2:30? What, we've only been doing this for 3 hours, right?
Yep.
Still have ice in the Walmart one. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, that's looking horrible. Stanley,
There's
what's
still
going
ice.
on?
There's still ice, but
Still ice, but it's almost all gone. So we'll give it a few more. This is only 3 hours in. The other one lasted longer than that. Okay, guys, there is ice left in this one. There's no ice in this one. Stanley has lost again to the reigning champion Walmart, which still has ice in it.